In today's tutorial, we are going to be breaking down the Arcane style of character design and animation. Before we actually dive into the character design, I think it's worth dissecting what the style is and why it works so well, so we can understand the thinking behind the technique. So it's almost a 2D stylized 3D model, which to get the Arcane look, you have to simply paint.
How do you texturize something to look like a painting?
We paint.
So without further ado, let's hop into Blender and link it to an external editor. So to use the external editor, we need to go to Edit, open User Preferences, then go to the File Paths tab, right on Applications. We have this image editor options where we can paste the file path of the image editor software, which Blender could use in this case. I'm going to demonstrate this with Clip Studio Paint, but it should work with any other image editor such as Fortiche, Krita, for example. To find this file path, you can go to your Windows programs, and you should be able to find it there. Once you found it, copy and paste it into the file path. Try to remove the quotation marks, as it's not necessary. Once done, save under the user preferences. So under image, you can edit externally. So as you can see, it's on my Clip Studio Paint, and I'm just going to go through my painting process. I'll fast forward it to the time lapse of my paint. Talking through it, I just essentially brought all the images that I would use as references and inspiration to convey where I was going with this stylized painting. So I've got Avatar, I've got Arcane, obviously, their style of painting, the graphic, stylized portraiture style on this 3D painting. And I'll be playing with it. I presume I'll just create a series. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see going forward. If you still like me to carry on with this painting sort of process, I complete it. It is of the fighter, the MMA fighter Israel Adesanya. I was watching an interview of his, and as all MMA fighters or MMA fans know, he's a big anime fan. So it's kind of like a homage and a muse. So let me know if you want to see the continuation of this in the next video. And that's it. That's it for now. So hopefully you've enjoyed watching this. Hopefully you've learned something new. And I'll see you again next week.